Hi. Well, I usually finish my videos up by saying, go down to your railroad room and let your trains put a smile on your face, but thought I'd show you that sometimes I really do play with mine, and they really do put a big smile on my face, especially this week because I succeeded. It flashed. Had to go back and redo everything. I wound up using an old MRC power pack to provide the 12 volts, which I'm powering to a Hankscraft motor, and I'll give you the links for all these things down at the bottom here. Then I went to a Woodland Scenics light hub, which powers my LEDs, and then I went through a micro switch to cause it to flash. So everything is still contained up here in my little studio. I just now have a piece of black tape over the top to kind of hide the flash, so when it goes off it doesn't flash up into my attic or any place else. And what I used was, I have an LED from Woodland Scenics, one of the stick-on ones, that's stuck here on this wall just inside, and that's what's lighting it up all the time. And then as my Hankscraft motor comes around with that wiper, it hits that lever on the micro switch and trips it just for a second and causes it to flash. Maybe it'll do it on cue, hopefully, maybe. Come on, guy. It's a slow motor. There we go. So it flashes, and that gives me that feeling anyway that his flash pan has actually gone off and caused a photograph. So success. Parts are listed below. I hope this will inspire you, not necessarily to make a photographic studio, but to think about doing the Hankscraft motors or slow drive motors to power lots of things, because those micro switches can turn all kinds of things on and off. Of course, if you're into Arduinos or any of those type of things, they all can be powered or programmed to do all kinds of things. And then you have both the mechanical, which I think is much more reliable, just my personal old-time opinion, but I really like using relays and motors. If you're a much more modern model railroader, you probably want to use an Arduino with a timer circuit on it, but nonetheless, it's working great. And until we meet again, why don't you go down to your railroad room and let your trains put a smile on your face, because I am.